actual artists, they get laughed at and therefore that gets them embarrassed to even ask. And most never achieve their goal to become good at art. And therefore, as an artist myself, to those who I've called out just now, I will help you on to finally drawing a beautiful stickman figure. So, let's begin. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is to begin with the head. And how do you make a head? We're just going to draw a simple circle like this. And if you don't know how to draw a circle, you can try Googling for a circling picture and trace it. Next thing you'll do is making the body. To make the body, you need to make a line for the body. The body is the only part that has the longest line. The arms and legs must be short. See how I make the arms and legs look like a pointy mountain? That's important. Now, all is left is the face. Now that is the easiest of all three you were struggling on. First, you've got to do the eyes. To do the eyes, you just have to add 2 dots inside and in the middle of that circle. Next step is to draw a mouth. People usually use a smile, so I'll just teach you that instead. Anyway, to make a smile, you will just have to write the letter U. If you don't know how to write, just text the letter U over the blank face. Yeah, if you want to add a few touches, like a nose, just add another dot on top of that letter. And if you want to draw hair, you can do that too. Just draw very, very small lines across the whole bald head. My bird cage just got pregnant with rabies.